So, hello guys. In this video, I am going to show you uh, how to install Windows 10 on VMware Workstation. I launched VMware Workstation Pro shortcut, and you see I'm using an evaluation period license. It is only 8 days now, and how to reset back it to 30 days again. Uh, for that, I have created a separate video in this channel. You can just go through it and check it. Mm, Present, I'm creating a new virtual machine. Just go with the typical steps. And I have downloaded a Windows 10 image from Microsoft site. You can download it. It's just a trial version. Click next. I'm just let it create in the documents itself. If you want, you can change the location to some other folder. I'm changing it to T drive. Yeah. You can split the vmdk file to multiple files or create as a single file. I'm creating as a single file. Customize hardware. 2 GB is enough for me. Process, it's okay. uh, I will change it to bridged, or let me keep NAT, uh, and create one more adapter, and I will keep it host only. So this NAT is for internet connection and host only is for uh, connection between the host machine with multiple VMs, so that I can just ping in that machine. That is just for internet connection. Just close, click finish. Just click enter. If you want to come outside of this VM, the particular mouse, hold right side Alt and Control key. You can use left side Alt and Control key also. Anything is fine. If you to come outside, Alt and Control key. To get inside, just click this in the middle of the screen. Click next. Click on install now. The down screen is asking us to confirm once the Windows OS installation is complete, so that VMware want to install VMware tools inside it. So present keep like this. Don't click anything and click on I don't have product key. Select Windows 10 Pro. Pro N means you don't get any media settings and all. Just click Pro, because most of the production environments will be Pro only, not Pro N. Next, and click on custom. Click next. So click yes. Skip. I'm passing the video in the meanwhile till this process completes. Click on custom yes. After that, click get experience. And if I enter password here, it will ask for security code. So that's why I will just ignore the password. Just keep the settings as clean as so the system will be clean and with the basic settings and remove features. is the latest version of that's why you don't need to update it. So you are getting the so much of it. So that automatically and if you go to add or remove programs, only mention that is there. Results. I want to install VMware. So click on I finish installing. If that doesn't it, what you can do is Daddy, calling on the other side of the నేను ఇంట్లోనే నేను కిరణ్ దగ్గర ఉన్నా వచ్చినప్పుడు ఫోన్ చేస్తాను కిరణ్ దగ్గర ఉన్నా వచ్చినప్పుడు ఫోన్ చేస్తాను పెట్టు So after installation, the screen of this VMware got aligned as related to your main screen. It got reset, the resolution and everything is setting automatically. Now, if you want to set the password, click Windows plus R if you open that. Go to Start and open this and type WSMGR and open Windows. Open this and right click on this. Then let me keep it. Two adapters. One is NAT and one is and one more thing. As I just created an operating system base settings. The next thing I can do is to create a base snapshot so that I can revert back to the snapshot whenever I want. Click on this base and I will provide credentials also. But whenever I use this, I can provide more description. So when you go to this base, that's it. And once this VM is